The focus of this is becoming an educator who speaks professionally and get some revenue from that. Secret. I'm going to share with you the number one secret on how to be easily 200% better than any other educational speaker and professional developer that's out there. My name is Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve. Most of you already know me, and if you don't know me, I'll get some more information to you about that. The focus of this is all about becoming an educator who speaks professionally. And when I say speaking professionally, that means straight up get money to do it. So in order to do this, I'm going to share some information with you. Hopefully that'll be beneficial to you, that'll at least open your eyes to some possibilities. Share also with you some tips and ideas that you can do right now in order to get into speaking, training, consulting at the professional level. Because I think that is definitely something that can happen for you, something that could, in education specifically. And there's some difference between corporate speaking professionally and educational speaking professionally. There is some difference, and I'm going to dive into that as well so that you can have a clear understanding of the difference of all these different things. Here's a statement I just want to be loud and clear to everyone. As an educator, you are allowed to speak, train, and consult other educators and get paid for doing it. I had some conversations with different educators because we are a very giving group. We are giving to people. And we always think that we have to give away this information that we have, this intellectual knowledge that you have. We give it away for free. You do not have to give it away for free. You can get paid for what it is that you know. And you can get paid well for what it is that you know. Other people want to know this. There are different areas of educational speaking, and educational speaking is slightly different than corporate speaking. It's different. Corporate, when I say corporate, that's everything, nonprofit, corporate, motivate. I'm going to share with you the number one secret on how to be easily 200% better than any other educational speaker and professional developer that's out there. All right? Don't be the same, be better. That's it. All the things that you just listed, of the things that we cannot stand about educational speakers, don't do it. The level of success that I've had doing this, I simply did that. I simply looked at the PD that I went to. I looked at the speakers that I've listened to. I figured out what I don't like, and I didn't do it. That's it. So what do professional speakers do? What do we do? What is the one thing that professional, educational, corporate, it doesn't matter, the number one thing that speakers need to do? It's their number one goal, no matter if they're doing a keynote, professional development, assembly, coaching, consulting, virtual, or face-to-face. It is, they need to practice. I see somebody say practice. They do need to practice. But here's their one goal: solve problems. That's it. When you, as a speaker, if you're going to become a speaker in any venue, you need to keep in your mind and you need to clearly understand the importance of solving people's problems. That's why you're there. That's why they brought you in. These are all the different problems that are happening in education right now, right? No matter what it is, right? Learning is not happening. Education not happening. Skills are not being developed. Success is not really, we're not developing relationships isn't there. Employment isn't happening. Ambition isn't there. Um, uh, Competition is bad. Work is hard. Occupation is difficult. Sports are getting in the way. Future isn't bright. Any one of these words can be a problem that you solve. That you solve. And when you talk about what it is that you speak on, when you talk about what it is that you do, it needs to revolve around the lens of whatever that topic is to solve those problems. Even with my statement, my name is Stan Tall Steve, and I help leaders improve leadership, improve climate and culture, and maximize ideas. I help them. There's the key word. I solve a problem. That's what it's all about. Because what are those things that you're holding your head at the water cooler? Oh my gosh, what in the world am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. That's the thing that you're solving. Those things that they are putting up there and are saying, help, I need help with this. That's what you're doing. And as long as you frame your mind around that and you're saying that constantly, you will be successful as an educational speaker. My name is Steve Bowler, also known as Stan Tall Steve.